haven't got a turkey, you can do a chicken or a duck. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to stuff it, and that'll make all the difference. First, I have breadcrumbs, not the crispy ones. Then I have unsweetened chestnut puree from a tin. And finally, some fried onions, chopped onions already fried in a little bit of oil. To make the fresh breadcrumbs, I'm using a stick blender. Put pieces of the bread into the bottom and then buzz it up. Don't do it all at once, you'll just need to do a little bit at a time. Put the 3 ingredients into a bowl and start mixing. You can do it with a spoon, but it's easier by hand. Make the stuffing into a ball and cut it in half. Then you're going to push it under the skin. Now, I've lifted the skin before because it's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Do it from the back end, not the front where I'm poking now. And then just gently put your fingers in, being very careful that you don't tear the skin. Now you're ready to start pushing the stuffing in, one on each side. Press the top of the skin to make sure it's all even and pull the skin down as much as you can to cover it. Then it's ready for roasting. Roast the stuffed chicken on a piece of paper inside the tin. This is to stop it sticking when you turn it over. Now here's the full recipe.